Kelvin's a little bloody. I'm a little worried about him. Chris, if you come right here, it's a guy with a flashlight.
Oh fuck.
I would save right here if I was you.
Yeah, I plan on it.
Yeah.
Especially if it's gonna keep crashing like that.
Yeah. Zach's a lot bigger. Did you grab the axe too?
Where was the axe?
At that campsite. Oh my god, it breaks down trees so much
Where was that
faster.
campsite at? I don't remember.
It was along that road.
Yeah, back on that road.
Yeah, I didn't see no campsite.
It was the one that you got froze at.
Yeah, I don't remember where that was.
Oh shit, I don't have any food.
I made it a beeline straight here.
Yeah, it's getting nighttime. We could try sleeping.
Energy bar. Is that anything? Should I waste an MRE pack or?
I would wait until we sleep. Honestly.
Oh, wait. See through?
I got an
I lost
energy
my
bar
spear,
myself.
that's why. I threw my spear at that guy.
Why can't there be more rope? I need a bow.
Yeah, oh, there's actually up top on this cliff right here, there's rope. We have to go up here. Here, follow me. I think there's a way up right here.
Oh, that is not a good sound.
Yeah, that was an echo.
Scared the
Yeah, there
crap
should
out
be
of
rope
Kelvin
and stuff
too.
here for you.
I don't like how long it takes for the animations.
I mean, it seemed to take that long for me.
It feels like it takes a while for me.
It takes about 1 second, maybe 1.2.
Like some of the building animations are a little longer, but I kind of like it. You're gonna have to snap the wood in half and stuff.
Now, how did you make... Oh, yeah, I need feathers. You guys ready to sleep?
Hold on.
Oh shit!
Oh, you can only put like one
Everduna's
weapon.
here.
Huh? Oh, hey, babe. Oh, she gone. Hold on, I gotta try and figure out how to make arrows.
Oh, I'm missing a stick.
Oh, they're everywhere.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to make arrows.
I'm making arrows. I'm coming back. On my way.
Oh no.
Alright, where's everyone?
Game's
Where's
starting
Chris?
to... Even with everything on the lowest setting, it's still crashing.
Yep. I feel like it didn't work that well.
So, I'm gonna have to wait till they update it. Because it's just gonna keep crashing. No sense in playing a game that keeps crashing every 30 minutes.
30
Yeah.
minutes ain't bad. You gotta cut your video every 30 minutes anyways.
Yeah, but when you're doing a stream, it doesn't really work.
Wait, Kelvin, follow me.
Oh damn, Virginia's all over there.
That's a little upsetting. Hopefully they get it verified for it soon, because
Yeah.
I just like bumped into a tree and it fell over.
ideally if it gets verified for tomorrow, that'd be great.
Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow.
I feel like for it to be verified, like, I mean, they'll have to like, they're gonna have to put updates out for it and shit.
Oh yeah, that's why I wish the... But it's also, that's taken away half, probably a good portion of gamer base.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it would make sense to get an update out for that sooner than later.
You still want to go to that cave, Isaac?
Yeah, where is that? Oh,
It's right over
we're
here.
right on track.
Yeah.
So that's a little disappointing.
Yeah, that sucks.
Tim, we should have slept before we...
I was thinking that too. Honestly,
Yeah.
just wait for Kevin or Calvin to get here and build in the shelter. Oh, I thought I was crashing.
Mountain climbing. Ooh, I just had a lag too. This
Yeah.
Chris probably just booted out.
Yeah, there's
Yeah,
gonna be a lot of bugs, so
yeah,
I'm gonna
it's
wait.
gonna be buggy for a while.
I'm gonna have to
Surprisingly,
wait.
that's the first like any type of lag or I've had.
Yeah, same.
Well, aren't you lucky, Timmy?
Well, I mean, I
Well,
got a
okay,
PC,
I have
not a
noticed.
Steam Deck, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the GPS kind of does flicker a bit. Dude, what the? Where's Kelvin going?
I have no idea. I
is
think he's trying
way-
to.
He is
I
way
think he
ahead
can
of us.
only like go up like a certain steepness, so he like tries to find a way to.
Oh, that's right. We cut up a hill, so he had to go
Yeah.
all the way around. Oh, damn. This is
Well,
like
I
this is
mean,
a
we
valley.
could honestly.
I can't. Fuck,
Well, do you guys want to play a
dude.
different
Tim, he
game?
beat us there. This is why he went that way, because we can't jump across this. Or you can't jump down, maybe. I don't know. Let's keep going this way. Oh, it's
Do
Kelvin.
you guys want to play a different game, or?
I think we're gonna figure out this cave first.
Yeah.
I mean, that's fine.
Oh shit. Oh, they're not alive. What is that?
Well, I'm gonna hop
Oh.
on Satisfactory then.
I think he didn't delete it.
I reinstalled it.
Oh.
Or should we
Hold on.
play Left 4 Dead?
I'm gonna figure out this cave first. I'm gonna at least do this one cave.
Yeah, one of you guys should have streamed it to Discord.
Give me yeah, just give me 1 second, Isaac.
Alright. Chris, if I were you, I'd just hop back in. If you're gonna stay in Discord and keep talking, might as well just play the game too. Even if it crashes every once in a while.
I don't want to really have to deal with restarting every single time it crashes, though. That's my issue with it right now. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna drop the... I see probably what was the issue. Go ahead and try and bite me again. I want to see if that will fix it. Continue.
Chris, did you at least save?
Yep.
Okay, that's good to know.
I don't remember if I saved after I made the bow or before. Pretty sure it was before. I might have to remake that.
Alright, I'm back.
Yeah.
Let me just eat real quick. Get a little energy bar. Yeah, the lights in the inventory at nighttime are very helpful.
Oh, this is dope. It makes the bottles of liquor look real cool too.
Yeah.
Like as you're like moving around back and forth, they shine.
Mm-hmm. Is Chris still in here?
Yeah, I think. I just tried to re-invite him. I think he has an idea.
Back in. So, oh, okay. I see
Aw,
how
man.
it is.
Right. I just took an MRE thing that gave me like 75% food. Energy
Oh,
bars
shit.
didn't do nothing. It gave me like 20%.
Yeah, I just had one energy bar. That'll work for now.
I don't even know where you guys are.
We are at the cave. You should see us at the cave entrance.
You're
The
not that far.
flashlights are very nice.
Oh yeah, we got a flashlight.
Ooh, cloth.
I have no clue how you place the GPS marker.
Oh, there's a air tank down here, Isaac.
Air tank. Uh-oh. How the fuck do you get out of here? Oh, yeah, I see it. Is that it? Is that all that's down here?
I guess.
Wait, no, I see.
You have to zipline this shit?
Yeah. Do you have a zip line?
No, oh, wait, hold on. If you have rope, I have the zipline rope. I just need rope for it.
I have no clue where the entrance is. I can't find you.
We should be right on the entrance almost. Do you have any, Isaac?
I have rope, but I don't know how to give it to you.
So if you look at their
Let's see if I
backpacks,
can
you
give you
can
the
trade.
zipline rope. No, I can't. What the fuck? Can you equip the rope? Because I think you could drop it.
I have no clue where I'm at right now. I'm so lost.
Fuck.
Alright, now G to drop it, maybe? Oh, you just put it away. Fuck.
I don't think you can drop it.
Ooh, slingshot.
Slingshot. Alright. I gotta see where he's at.
Let's see, there's a way.
Where'd
There's
you
any
find a
buttons.
slingshot?
Wait, what? What happened?
Oh, it's out here. Sweet.
Yeah, let me
What?
build my
Oh,
Hold on, Tim. What do you need for the...
crap. I don't have
a
it.
rope. Oh wait, there's rope right here. Yes.
I was gonna say,
Alright, we're
what else
good.
do you need? Because I have the rope, but it looked like the other thing was just like an arrow.
Yeah. Alright, we're good.
Chris,
I'll
get
make
inside.
it inside.
There are people
Alright.
outside.
Inside.
Alright, we need to make sure to just make like a little base or something for Chris. Every little bit.
Well, I limited the frame rate, so that should
What'd you limit it
Oh.
to?
60.
I don't know how to like make it. It won't let me make it.
What are we trying to do?
Zip line. There's a zip line here, but it like goes over there.
Yeah, but it's angled from that way down to here, not vice versa.
Oh.
That's a solid point.
Wait.
And I'm
no.
pretty sure a zip line is going to be an item that you have to pick up, not craft.
Yeah, because the zipline rope seems like it's just for making it.
Alright, well. That cave's done.
We could try to find. Let me see if there's another cave near here that you can go into.
There probably is.
I don't see any. Oh, I mean the nearest one's up this way towards the mountains.
I was
Money.
going to
That
say the
would be
nearest
it.
one's closer to where the next green.
I think we went to that one though. No, that's a house.
No, so like to the, I guess, to the east.
Oh yeah.
There's a
towards there.
cave
Whoa.
next to a green beacon.
Seems like this one in the mountains is closer to us.
I mean, we can go to that one too.
Because that one might lead to down there too.
Wait, I'm going the wrong way.
I'm
It's
following
so hard
Tim.
to see.
Actually, hold on. Before we leave the water, I need a drink. Oh, is that a deer? I see a deer.
Alright, I'm just gonna keep walking in the water.
Okay, I made it. We're through. I'm following the water too.
I lost it. Where is it? Oh, it's up there. Just climbing this steep ass mountain.
Same, like we're going up a steep, like, creek.
Yeah.
It's kind of loud too. Hold on, let me check to see if OBS is still going. Hey, it is.
Alright.
It's been 2.5 hours. Damn.
Yeah, this is a steep mountain.
Oh yeah. Oh, it splits too.
Oh, we gotta go into the snow.
Yeah.
We gotta go through it. Oh my god, I'm way behind you guys, and Kelvin is even further behind me.
Oh, Kelvin.
Also, I can barely see. It's dark. Chris, did you just keep following the water?
Yeah.
Because it's at like a damn straight up waterfall now.
Well, I got out of the water and climbed up the hill.
Ah. So no, you didn't just keep following water.
I am still following water. I just stopped I'm following a different creek.
Which way did you go to get up the hill?
To the left.
Ah, damn it, I went right. Okay, well.
Hey, there's stuff in the water.
Holy shit, I am way behind you guys. Kelvin's having even more trouble down there.
Go ahead and save the game just in case.
Yep. Some
So I'm gonna go
pills.
ahead and make a Molotov. Molotov.
Mazzatolov.
Go ahead and make a
Molotov.
torch as well. Cat food.
Oh, I see a Chris.
So there's apparently cat food in the game.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, ooh, that actually fills up your hunger quite a bit. Now, where's the so-called cave at? Ah, here it is.
Yeah, I kind of went in here. Doesn't seem like much.
Hey, I got a can opener. Money. Ooh, I'm gonna save. Guys, can we sleep out here, please, first? I'm, like, dying.
Yeah.
Also, anyone got any food?
I do not. I ate it all. Other than my one energy bar, but I'm gonna need that for when we sleep.
I have an oyster. I should have just ate that after we slept. Oh well.
Oh wait, I don't have an energy bar. I thought I had an energy bar.
And now I'm all out of food. Oh, this is great. Oh well. Chris, didn't you say something about cat food?
Yeah.
Where? Like,
It's
where
probably
did
something you
find
can
it?
eat.
If you have a can or a thing of canned food, then and have a can opener.
I have a can opener.
I do too.
I have a can opener now, but I don't see
You can. Well, you have to get cat food.
Yeah, there's nothing really in this cave other than some shit to pick up.
And there's no water over here that we can drink.
Can't drink it? Oh, this is ice. Damn, rope.
Well, you can drink it from over here.
Well, fuck. Where to next?
Let's see.
Oh, this way. There's another cave up there.
Yeah, to the north or to the east.
Yeah.
This is kind of where I wish we had a compass.
I just want to find like a cave, get a fucking gun. I want a shotgun or something.
Oh, canned cat food is good shit. Alright, I'm coming. Ah, damn it, you guys are like way ahead of me again.
Fast as fuck.
All I had to do was eat.
I can't even see where Timmy is. I can't tell if he's in front of me or behind me.
I can barely see you guys
Right on your
on
wheel.
the GPS. Looks like Kelvin is in front of me anyways.
This don't get like cold as fuck in the snow.
I'm surprised.
That's what
Yeah.
I'm waiting for. I'm sitting here like, when am I gonna freeze? And like, nothing's happening yet. I don't know what happened to Kelvin
He'll find us.
in a couple of weeks.
For real.
He'll be like half cannibalized by the time he shows up.
Clothes are all ripped off.
Bleeding everywhere. Got marks all over his face. Some of his paint. Got an arrow sticking out of the side of his head. He didn't know.
That'd just be
Did
funny
they even
if it did
explain
that.
who Calvin is?
He was a guy on the helicopter with you. He's like dead, basically.
Yeah. Well, did you see the cutscene part? Like when you picked him up and looked at him?
Yeah.
No, that didn't
Oh.
show that.
You like pick him up after the crash and you look at him. It's after the one dude like snatches whoever and drags them away. You like wake up
Oh,
next and you look at
I just saw
Kelvin.
one dude,
Uh.
and he just pistol whipped it.
Yeah, when you pick up Kelvin, you look at him. You look at both sides of his head, and his ears are like ripped out, like the insides of them. So like his brain is gone. Like they took whatever out of there. They did something to him.
You're talking about like when he grabs that thing, grabs that dude in the night, right?
Me or Chris?
You.
I don't know. I thought that was Kelvin.
No, like didn't you say someone like grabs a guy?
And then looks at both sides of his head, and his ears are like ripped
Oh,
out.
okay. You're talking about that Calvin. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, is this a? Oh shit.
I think
Found
that's
it.
where he is. Yeah. Hey, we both got here at the same time. Sorry, Kelvin. Be safe. Hold on.
Let me switch weapons real quick.
Ooh, some coins.
Dude, I'm just using... I'm using the modern axe as a weapon.
Yeah, that's what I got out right now. There's some
I don't
cloth
have the
up there.
modern axe.
Yeah,
So I
I
have to
switched
use
from
the
the lighter to
spear.
the flashlight. Because this flashlight is dope.
Alright, why are these caves
Hey,
just a room?
Cat food. Bibble? I found a bibble. A bibble. There's a bibble and a dead man.
A pibble.
I wouldn't listen to whatever that book says if you end up like that guy. Is this seriously just one big room? There's nothing else in here? That doesn't go anywhere.
Well, maybe one day
Yeah,
we'll
it
find an
looks like
actual
it.
cave.
Why are these caves marked?
Who knows?
Probably because of how big the map is.
I swear if this is just one big empty map for like the first 6 months.
But it's supposed to be the whole story.
Well, I mean, yeah, we just haven't... Okay, when me and Tim got on, the first people that we found were like... Fuck. Like the first cave we went into, that first starting cave, we got wrecked.
Well,
Yeah,
why don't we
that
go
was an
back to
actual
that one?
cave.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's go back to the starting point and go through that cave. Because that's what we should have done when Chris showed up the first time.
Yeah.
Alright. How far
I'm
away
trying to
is that?
figure out which
That is very, very
Okay,
far
it's
away
Back.
from here.
Yeah, it's back
Oh,
this
shit,
way.
I don't even see... Okay, we can kind of see the other side of the... Okay, so the mountain goes... There's a little river that goes down to a valley and a big
Yeah.
old, like, lake inside the mountain.
Just take the river. There is that cave right there. I don't think we ever went to that one.
Right where?
Crap.
By that green or glowing thing that we're going
That's
right
annoying.
towards. Would you crash again?
Yep.
Alright, well that's good, because it's going to take me like 5 or 10 minutes to get to where you guys are anyways. So just log out, I'll re-invite you, and it'll probably time up pretty well.
Yeah, I'm gonna head to this cave, see if this is a cave that we already went to or not.
Alright, looks like Kelvin's going towards me and Chris anyways. Chris, you're running in place with your spear ready to thrust.
I figured. I'm surprised I haven't been disconnected.
Yeah, it usually takes a minute.
Oh dude, guys, there's a new cookies and cream Twix. And it's really good.
I never liked Twix that much.
Well, instead of caramel, it has the cookies and cream stuff. So it's like chocolate,
Yeah.
the little cracker wafer thing, and then cookies and cream filling.
Yeah.
I love Twix though.
I used to love Butterfingers. Those were my shit when I was younger.
Hey,
Those are
he's,
so
he's
good.
gone.
I ate them too much, so like I don't like them.
Butterfingers are good.
This is this is a
just-
different cave that I'm at, by the way.
I can't like Butterfingers fuck up my teeth.
Yeah.
Like I just hate how it
Bites.
gets all stuck in your teeth.
I don't know. I haven't had a Butterfinger in a while. I might like it if I tried it again.
Yo, punks. Invite.
Oh, my bad. Tim, Steam says you're sleeping.
How far back am I gonna be?
That's a lie.
I don't know. When was the
Hey.
last spot you saved?
I think he's still up there near you.
At the frozen creek.
Probably.
Hey.
Oh, I don't like hearing movements. Oh,
Tim,
it's a
if
deer.
you start to like go down, can't help you.
Yeah. I'm right by this cave. I
don't
don't
like that.
I don't know where the entrance is. Ooh, MRE.
MREs are pretty good too, but I got 3 cans of cat boots. I'm good.
Ooh, I'm gonna try to kill one of these deer.
Still don't get what the skin pouch is for now.
Oh,
Resources.
use it. Yeah. You open it up in your crafting thing.
I did, but like it just put it on the table. Like I don't get.
And then like
What
when you
happened?
craft something, hit the gear.
I'm so confused on what happened to my can opener.
Oh, I get it. There's things in there. Okay, cool.
Alright, making my way back down to you guys.
Alright. Try and kill these deer.
Oh, wait.